Hi guys, I am Shazad and welcome in lecture number 1. Today we are going to start our new series, which is Amazon Lightsail. So AWS is providing a lot of services. AWS, I'm talking about the Amazon Web Services. If you are not familiar with AWS, that means Amazon is providing the web services for you, like EC2, container services, like machine learning, and like system manager, and also the snowmobile, EFS, a lot of services they are providing. You're gonna learn many things in this series, like how can you create your instance. We'll discuss about each and everything in our later lectures, but for now, Amazon Lightsail is the easiest way to get started on the AWS. You can create your instance within a minute, and also they are providing a lot of options for you, like you can also choose your OS, Ubuntu. They are also providing the Amazon Linux. We'll discuss about them. And also if you are working on WordPress, Magento, Drupal, Joomla, so they are also providing, and also they are also giving you some functionality, or you can also start if you are working on the Node.js, LAMP, and also the GitLab. We will discuss about them. While creating any instance, you can also select your region, and they are also providing the low cost or the low prices. Like you can start your hosting in just $3.50. That means $4 for US dollar. And also they have other packages like $10, $20, $40, and $80. We will discuss about the packages in our later lectures. They are also providing the easy to use interface. So you're gonna learn many things, like how can you create your Amazon account, how can you manage your network, and how can you install the SSL certificate in your Lightsail account. We use the WordPress because we are going to install the WordPress in our instance. And also you're gonna learn how can you create your phpMyAdmin. That means how can you access your phpMyAdmin, because accessing phpMyAdmin and also the files is different from the shared hosting. So I hope you gonna learn many things in this series. So thank you for watching.